Good morning. It is a beautiful day. It is 6:59 a.m. I just picked up a Hopland requested order from the church that we did last Saturday. And normally sometimes when a business requests me, sometimes they give a tip, sometimes they don't. But I must have did an awesome job this time because this church requested me. And I remember doing them before, they never requested me. So I don't know if it's someone new putting the order out. But anyway, just received a $10 tip. And we're going to go pick up that order once we get off work today at 4 o'clock. So come along with me. Alright guys, I'm just getting off work. Now we're on our way to pick up the laundry, the requested order that I just picked up this morning. So let's get out of here and let's go get this laundry. I don't know, but I've been having issues with my shoulder. I don't know if the rotator cuff or what, but it has really been bothering me. But anyway, we're on our way to get this laundry.
Come and take a walk with me. Challenge your wildest dreams. No more fear. Follow that shining star. Come with an open heart. I'm right here. I hear your every word, song of a mockingbird. Tells the truth. It's about time we met. I've been watching you over there. It's about time. When I feel so down and out, your love comes to raise me from all doubt. Yeah, lift up our very heads, comfort us suffering. That's what you do. You're the soul of so many things. Hear your voice in the birds who sing. I love you. Wanna tell.
As we picked up the laundry, and it is, putting something on. It is, I believe they had 7 or 8 regular bags, but these were 10 hampers full of laundry. So I have a lot of laundry to do tonight. Thank God I am off tomorrow. So even though if I be up late, I can sleep a little later tomorrow. But anyway, we on our way to start on the laundry that I picked up at this church / preschool. So let's go and get started. Alright guys, I'm about to show you all the laundry that I picked up that I have to do this evening. So here it goes. And it goes on and on and on. That's a lot of laundry I have to do this evening. So I'm going to be up for a while, but that's okay. I'm off tomorrow, and I'm going to sleep in between. When I get tired, I'll sleep until the dryer will go off, the washer off, then swap it over. So let's get started.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light, let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger, we are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray.
Good morning. On my way to the laundromat because my washer gave out. So what I did 2 loads. I did the whites yesterday at the laundromat, and now I'm on my way to do the colored clothes at the laundromat, the same laundromat I went to last night. And when I say these people have a lot of laundry, so if I can get a good shot of me taking it in, I will. I'll add it to the video. But they have a lot of laundry, and I knew something was going on with my washer, but I didn't know it was gonna just go out like that. But they did put in to bring me another washer on Wednesday, and today is Sunday, so I have 3 more days. So I'm on my way to the laundromat, which I don't want to do because I feel like I'm taking away from my income. You know, it has to be done, so we're on our way to the laundromat to get all these clothes done. So come along with me, guys. I'm just gonna try to get it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get a shot of me going in the laundromat. Maybe not while I'm in the laundromat, because I'm trying to just get all this done so I can go ahead and drop it back off at the church that I picked it up from. Anyway, let's go.
It's always been you.
Alright guys, we finished all the laundry. We'll get out of this part. Hold on. My shoulder is hurting so bad. Not as bad as it was yesterday though, but it's hurting. But anyway, we finished the laundry. We're about to drop it off. I calculated 109 pounds, but it would have been more than that because, and this is just something I did. So
in a quarter mile,
if
turn
you
left to
guys,
stay on Harpersville Road.
decide to ever do Poplink, you don't have to do this. But what I did was, because I wasn't able to pre-wash like I normally do, sometimes when I'm at home, if it's laundry where there's a stain and I can't get it out, I wasn't able to do it because, you know, I was at the laundromat, and you know, to do it at the laundromat is much more money. So I wasn't able to pre-wash. So what I did was I discounted some of the weight off for the customer.
In 500 feet,
But anyway,
use the
we're
right
on
two
our
lanes
way
to turn right onto
to
Jefferson
drop
Avenue.
off this laundry. So let's
Use
go.
the right two lanes to turn.
I don't like to see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there. But I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow. I get off of you to prove I gotcha. You see how I'm still painting the rainbow. So don't let go of me. Drawing close, all out desperately when you need me the most. I am God, I'm your arm. Don't let go. Keep holding on. No, I don't give my hardest battles to my strongest soldiers.
Alright guys, I was having a hard time taking that photo. This is why sometimes I don't like doing Poplin. And I refreshed my phone, so I don't know. I just took a personal picture, then sent it in. But anyway, I am so tired. I was at that laundromat for 4 hours and would have been there longer if I wouldn't have did the white laundry last night. But when I say I'm tired, I am so tired. But anyway, I'm gonna stop in here and I'm gonna get me something to eat. Then I'm going home and I'm gonna put an ice pack because the heating pad it seemed like it was making it worse yesterday with my shoulder. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. I'm sorry this video wasn't that great, but things just didn't work out. Sometimes things just don't work out like we plan it, but it's how God planned it. So, and if things wouldn't have happened the way it happened, maybe some of the people that I met at the laundromat, I wouldn't have never met. So I want to thank you guys for always popping in, watching my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.